Hello, this is Shirley from BeUDMKE Motors. Today I'm now on our on-load testing center. This is a different talker, the on-load testing machine. So this is from 3 Newton meter to 100 Newton meter. We have different kinds of the on-load testing machine. So today we will testing one very huge motor. Okay, let's have a look about the very huge brushless DC motor. First of all, let's have a look about the size. The flex size for this motor is 230. The power for this motor is 15 kilowatts. And the rated voltage for this motor is 100 DC. And also the rated torque for this motor is 95 Newton meter. The rated speed for this motor is 1,500 RPM per minute. Amazing, right? This is a controller for this motor. Let's have a look about the testing result for this motor on the load weight testing machine. Let's go. Okay, now the engineer will click the star on the computer. The load weight machine will give the rated load weight to the motor. So now the motor is running based on the load weight for the machine. After the testing on the computer, we can have the performance, the curve for this motor. So let's have a look how about this look like later. So on the computer, so you can see that during the processing, the on-load machine give the load weight to the motor, so the testing data will come out on this computer. And then finally, we will get the testing performance, the performance data, and the curve for the motor. Okay, let's finish here. If you have any questions about the BLDC motor or the testing, so let me know. See you. Bye bye.